If you're like me, your non-stick fry pan is probably the pan that gets the most use in your kitchen, especially if you don't want to use a lot of oil in your cooking. Non-stick pans can be delicate, so you want to make sure you get a good quality pan and know how to look after it. The good news is you can now get an amazing set of non-stick fry pans at Coles in the new MasterChef cookware range. And from now until the 13th of July 2021, for every $20 you spend in one transaction, when you scan your Flybuys card, you'll earn one MasterChef cookware credit. Once you've earned enough credits, redeem your cookware in store. These pans are made from hard-working stainless steel with an aluminium core in the base, so they heat up quickly and evenly. They also have a triple layer reinforced Swiss crystal coating. The handle is not only heat-proof but also lightweight, comfortable to hold and long enough to stay cool to the touch during stovetop cooking. These pans are great on any cooktop, even induction, and oven safe up to 200 degrees Celsius. They're easy to clean too, just make sure you use a non-scratch scourer or a soft cloth to protect the surface. This MasterChef cookware fry pan comes in two sizes, 20 centimetres and 26 centimetres. Today I'm using the larger pan to make a delicious dish, one-pan pork with apples. To start, I'm making a quick mix for the pork with some paprika, cumin, and some oil. Mix them together in a bowl, then add in the pork cutlets. And season with some salt and pepper. And just give them a turn to coat. Heat a little olive oil in the fry pan over a medium-high heat. Cook the onion and the apple for 1 to 2 minutes each side or until golden. They're looking perfect. I'm now going to pop these onto a tray, and you can see I'm not using any metal utensils here, as they can scratch the surface of the pan. Stick with wooden, silicone, nylon or plastic utensils. Now we need to cook the pork for around 2 minutes each side or until beautiful and golden brown. Put the pork on the same tray while we make the sauce. I'm going to add Dijon mustard and apple cider to the fry pan, but you could use apple juice. Bring this up to the boil and cook for 2 minutes or until the mixture reduces by about half. Then pour in the chicken stock and maple syrup and bring back up to the boil. Smelling amazing. Now that that's simmering, we can return the onion, the pork and the apples to the fry pan. Cook for a further 2 to 3 minutes or until the pork is cooked through, then add in a few grinds of black pepper. For the finishing touch, I'm going to grab my small fry pan and fry up some fresh sage leaves. Heat some oil over a medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Fry the sage leaves for around 30 seconds or until they're nice and crispy. Just use some tongs to transfer them to a plate lined with some paper towel. Then sprinkle them over the pork just before serving. So go on, add these fabulous fry pans to your kitchen collection and get this tasty dish on your table in just 25 minutes. Head to Coles and start collecting your MasterChef cookware credits now.